Hello, everyone. This is Tyson, one of your Miami trainers, bringing you a quick tip on where you can locate input sheets within Matrix. In order to access input sheets in Matrix, you'll need to go to the top right corner where you see your name. You're going to hover your mouse over the down arrow, give that a click, and then go down to Help and give Help a click. From there on the left, you're going to see the Help Index. From here, we're going to click on Data Input Form. And then that's going to open up a menu where you can click Miami Paper Input Forms. Once done, you're going to see all of the input forms available, including the Miami MLS status change form. Further down, you have the first input form, which is the RE1 single family mobile homes input sheet. You have RE2, which is condo, co-op, townhouse, and villa. You also have RIN, which is residential income available, along with RNT, which is for rentals. Also RLD, which is residential land, CLD, which is commercial, business, agricultural, and industrial land. Further down, we have commercial, improved industrial, and then business opportunity here, along with access to the auction listing form, a seller opt-out form, and the permission to advertise. Another location where you can find these input sheets is by hovering your mouse over the word MLS on the main website. Give it a click. It's going to take you here, which is the Miami MLS Resource Center. If you scroll all the way down, you're going to have access to the input sheets under MLS input forms. And then I also wanted to make sure that I mentioned on the MLS webpage, we also have the MLS field definitions as well at the very bottom. Hope you found this tip helpful. You can find more tips like this by going to youtube.com/miamitrainers and within the MLS Help Center. Thank you for watching and have a great day.